and welcome to a cool new awesome tutorial. And today we'll be learning how to showcase hot selling products to drive sales. Alright, so let's jump in. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're on the Automizely Marketing admin panel. And once you're here on this page, go ahead and click on emails. And once you click on it, make sure you click on newsletters from the drop-down menu. Awesome. So once you're on this page, go ahead and select any template of your choice. I'll click on the default one, but you can choose whichever one you like. So this is the main setting page. You can change the campaign name, which is only visible to you. Then you've got the email subject line. Now that's something your customers will see. So make sure it's fun and creative. You can also change the preview text and all other settings below. Let's go ahead and click on the content tab. Go ahead and mess up with all the settings here. But first, let's click on recommended products. Perfect. So in here, in the type section, go ahead and select the product type you want to display. You can choose best-selling products in your store, so it will only display products that are best-selling in your store. And you can fix up the number of columns and the number of products as well. Or you can showcase products that your customer recently viewed. So let's go ahead and click on it. Perfect. So just a quick note. If your customer hasn't viewed any products in the last 30 days, then only best-selling products will be displayed. So this only works if they've actually viewed products in the last 30 days. If they haven't, best-selling products will be shown instead. Awesome. And finally, let's also click on the specific products. And here, you have the option to add products. Let's click on Add Products. Now, since I only have 2 products in here, those are the only products I can add. If you have a list of products in your store, they will all be shown here. So you can add and pick the one you like. So for now, I'll just choose the bestsellers option, which means it'll only show the best-selling products in my store. And once you're done with all the settings, just click on Save to save your progress. Perfect. Now, if you scroll down, we can see that our campaign, the newsletter campaign, has been saved. Now, if you're ready to send the newsletter, just click on the draft. Now, before you send it, make sure the settings, the content, and the style tab has been fixed properly according to your needs. Also, make sure your sender info and reply to email has been fixed properly. And finally, click on Send Now. Perfect. Moving on. Now, you can also show bestsellers or recently viewed products through pop-ups. So let's see how that works. Let's go ahead and click on Pop-ups and Forms. Next, choose a template you like. I'll click on Upsell number 1. Awesome. Now in the recommended products section, you can do the same thing you did before. Choose your bestsellers, which will automatically show the top 3 best-selling products in your store. Or you can choose recently viewed. And of course, if a customer hasn't viewed any products in the last 30 days, then the top 3 best-selling products will be shown instead. And finally, you can also choose specific products. Awesome. Now, once you're done, simply click on Save to save your progress. Now scroll down and you'll see your form Campaigns. This is the one we were working on. Now, to publish this, simply click on the 3-dotted icon on the right-hand side and click on Publish. And before you publish, it will give you a pop-up saying, please do one last check before we publish, because it will appear on your site. So if you're not satisfied, go back and fix it up and then click on Publish. So go ahead and click on Publish, and that's it. Your pop-up has been published successfully. It's super easy and super fun. And that's a wrap of the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Don't be shy. Send us an email and we'll make sure we fix your issues. Thank you so much once again for watching, and we'll be back with more cool videos. Stay tuned, take care, and good luck.